Oh, hi guys. We're hiking today. I probably should have just overlapped with Ma's footage, but whatever. I'm at 32% of my phone, so probably gonna overlap with her footage after all. Because I feel like it's kind of cold for bug spray.
Then you better wear yours.
No, but like my legs, so I feel like not many bugs would be out. Let's go hiking. What did you put in this coffee? It's so good.
It's always some issue.
No, but what did you put in that coffee? It's so good.
What did I put in the coffee? I put
Cinnamon and
sugar,
nutmeg.
cinnamon, nutmeg,
Yes, I got
honey,
nutmeg right.
very, very dark coffee that I make, and almond milk.
It tastes like really sweet, but like not too sweet, you know? I was rambling about how good messy buns are. I don't like having my hair pulled back because that makes a receding hairline, and it just gets it out of the way. It's easy to do. You only need, I use 3 hair ties because it's like really hard to do with short hair. Once I get longer hair, it's gonna be much easier. But let's go hiking. Break 1, 25 minutes in. Randall's talking about armpit hair.
But more people in that are teenagers now are not doing that.
Oh my god, it's so cute. I think I'm literally having a migraine right now. Pissed off. My face looks so red on camera. Ma, on a scale of 1 to 10, how red is my face?
It's not red at all. You barely even look like you're exercising right now.
It looks red on camera.
Compared to mine.
Yours isn't red at all.
I'm sweaty.
This is not one of those red-faced days.
But my face gets red really easily.
It's the alcohol.
So pretty. So pretty, oh my god. Guys, we're at this like waterfall thing. And it's like more rainy than last time we went, but that was because there was more rain recently. I think. That's our theory.
How is the bathroom?
Now get that bird. One more time.
Haha, amazing.
Okay, guys. Get to see it for yourself. What? That's enough. Oh my god. Time to go to lunch. I'm soaked. This bun is happening. Wait, what?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Can we say hi to our vlog? We are too.
Oh, that's cool.